What's going on, everybody? Josh up here with Lebanon Ford Performance. I'm sitting here in the holding area of our LFP Mustang production and our LFP F-150 production. Sitting behind me is Jimmy Alvarez's RTR Spec 2. If you remember, our twin turbo 1,000 horsepower RTR Spec 2. It's gotten a lot of attention lately from multiple magazines online, as well as RTR themselves. But today I'm really here to talking about two new products coming from RTR that should be landing here very, very soon, and wanted to give our client base and our fans the ability to take part in some of the first of these models. So not only do we have the RTR F-150, which is going to be the RTR muscle truck, which is a sharp looking vehicle that can be put on any 4x4 crew cab chassis, and you can have a custom one-of-a-kind RTR truck. We're going to be getting the first 5 kits in the country of that system, so you have the ability to purchase those first 5 RTR trucks here at LFP and take deposit and hold them in your name. That way you can be part of the exclusive F-150 run of RTR vehicles. In addition, RTR has finally released the RTR Spec 3. If you're a fan of the Grand Tour on Amazon Prime, you've actually seen where they had that racing a Hennessy Exorcist as well as a Dodge Demon, and it's been an awesome car that we've been waiting a long time for. So what that is it's an RTR Spec 2 built with a Ford Performance supercharger that produces 700 crank horsepower, which is warranty back for 336 as well. So you're gonna get that awesome looking car, very aggressive. The wheels, the tires, the ground effects, the graphics, and the exclusive RTR badge, paired with the awesome performance from Ford Performance and that 2650 supercharger producing 700 horsepower, all wrapped up, warranted back by RTR and Ford Performance, so you know that you've got a lot of people backing your brand and keeping that car safe and healthy long term. We're also going to be able to take as many deposits on that as possible. That is not going to be something that we already have some coming. So we're going to be offering exclusive deposits for those if you'd like to become one of the first Spec 3 owners in the country. Those are available here at Lebanon Ford Performance as well. So you can read up on what these vehicles are equipped with both on our website and on rtrvehicles.com. And you can call and talk to our performance staff who know everything, the ins and outs of these kits here at Lebanon Ford Performance.